Welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the domain and range of a set of ordered pairs. So the domain is the value that we use to determine the range, and we typically represent these in algebra as being our x values. So when you hear domain, those are also called x values. You'll also hear the domain called the independent variable. But when you have a set of ordered pairs like this, the domain is tremendously easy to find. So in this case, the domain is the first number from each pair. And it includes all of them. So all of the first numbers from each pair. And when I say pair, what I mean is a set that are in parentheses. So you see -2 and -10 are in parentheses together. The first one is the one that goes with the domain. In this one, -9, 0, -9 is the domain. It's the one that goes first. And so when we go to write this, we would say that our domain is the set of all numbers, and we represent the set, or the set of these numbers, and we represent this set with like this curly bracket. Looks like a sideways mustache. And then we write all the numbers that come first in the pair. So in the first one is -10, and then -9, -8, you might start to see the pattern on this, -7, and -6. So the domain is the collection of all the numbers that come first. If we're looking for the range is the second number from each set. So the second number from each pair is what we're looking for here. And so we would write it just as we would write our domain. We would say that the range is the set of, and now we include all the second numbers. So -2, 0, +2, 4, and 6. So our domain is this set right here. And notation is important. Do include these curly brackets. Same thing for our range. Our range is this set of numbers. Now, if we were to have any repeats on this, say an element of the domain, element just means one of the numbers. Suppose one of the numbers in the domain repeated, we would only have to list that twice. So if something's repeated, or you would only have to list it once, excuse me. If something's repeated, you don't have to list it multiple times here. So just once for each number. So if -10 appeared multiple times in this, I would just have to write -10 once in the domain. Same thing in the range. So this is just a list of all the numbers I see in the domain and all the numbers I see in the range.